curse words, then don't worry about it. Just join with the chorus. It's easy. Hey, you got this! I don't know why, but my hands are shaking. I can see you coming and I stand here waiting. Yeah, I get tongue-tied in the conversation. It's a fucked up backstage situation. I tried to tie my heart down, board up all the windows. Oh, but it's too late. Now I let you get too close. I know I should take cover, hide inside these four walls, but baby, I surrender it all. Alright, here's where I need the most help. Ready? 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't wanna run, so hold me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. I'm a caution taker, but baby, you're a force of nature. The oohs, ready? Ooh, amazing. Okay, that's your job, okay? I feel your lips moving and they take me under. And you know just what to do, how to make me want you. That was slick. And I know I'll be broken when it's over. Oh, but I can't help but pull you closer. I tried to tie my heart down, board up all the windows. Oh, but it's too late. Now I let you get too close. Ready? 'Cause you're a force of nature. Look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't wanna run, so hold me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. I'm the caution taker, but baby, you're a force of nature. I can do a lot of that, you guys. It's easy. I'll be here till we collide. I don't care if I survive, so crash into me one more time. Yeah, 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 yeah. Nature, look at what you've done. I can taste the danger, but I don't wanna run, so hold me to the ground and I won't put up a fight. I'm the caution taker, but baby, you're a force of nature. Alright, we're gonna do this 4 times, so 3 more. Ready? Ooh. Alright, 2 more. Alright, you gotta sing this last one with me. Come on. 'Cause baby, you're a force of nature. Can I hear a scream from my buddy Leah up here? Yeah, that literally just, you're amazing. That slayed my life.